Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Wake up to breathtaking panoramic views of sandy white beaches and crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea, located 5 minutes from the Sangster International Airport in the enclaves of Ironshore Estate, overlooking the north coast shoreline of Montego Bay, Jamaica, combining privacy, luxury, and tranquility. The Royal Kensington Villa, built in 2012 and sits on 0.43 acres, is a unique villa-type home with some of the most unparalleled architectural designs, with spacious fully furnished bedrooms, air conditions, and ceiling fans and water heaters, gated drive-in courtyard entry, and 24-hour CCTV monitoring camera system. Furniture from Bern, Hardt and Eaton Allen, dishwasher, granite kitchen, and bathroom countertops, jetted tub, bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, and chandeliers that light up majestically. The property boasts three kitchens, including a self-contained studio and helper's quarters, a powder room, and a operating fountain. Call now and make this home your haven. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.